work. But the reason why I showed you this car is with the way the old version here. Okay. So we're at 2014. Okay. So 10 years. 10 years older than this car. Okay. So we are able to change this one to this one. Wow. That's what we are doing here. Okay. So yeah, the interior no, your Baba Sisano straight to this version. So you see the whole interior is taken apart. So area it will be exactly like this one. When you press the unlock, it will come out. But I've not connected it yet. That's why I'm pulling it this way. And here connection, there's no battery on the car. It's still work in progress. So we your best is on rims, no two latest one maybe.
Intino, the Macasiana, it's my wage man. Was actually much of Ferrari day.
Oh, every car.
Intino, Cabia. Yeah. It's the Pacona car, Puebia, car.
Oh, wait. This car is 40 years old. We're BMW E30, so some people like old but good. I'm open old but on person camera. So this one is in for a full restoration. I started at that. Yeah, first paint. Yeah, they share a Jumano. You can see that a lower. And let's say you're back to original, but you're adding a bit of flair to it. And yet, guy kakra. So rims, no, these are BBS rims. Paint, no, we're latest BMW M3, M4. You're finding Austin yellow. So we use that paint. Then we took another E33 Germany. So getting this interior is very difficult. So it's kind of 4 decades, about 40 years old. Yeah, so we go another one. We're able to put the seats in there. It's looking neat. If you know old cars, you know that this is looking very nice.